Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a regular medium Sudoku in today's newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, November the 2nd, 2022. And I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So we have only 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the medium Sudoku, the binary puzzle. I've just solved this a minute ago, and the killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. And what I will do is after these 3 regular puzzles, I will do the rest of the puzzles in the yesterday's edition. And what's the news of today? Yeah, I believe it's the war day number 252. 252 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything changed in the world. Yes, all the prices, all the of the electricity bill, of the gas, everything is expensive than before the war. Yeah, a lot of dead peoples also, dead people in a war. So I'm not pleased with a war. Yeah, and maybe second war in Korea, I do not know, but we will see. All right, let me continue. Enough about the news. Sudoku medium number 5419. 5419. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But for a 26 printed digits, if I compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudokus. In additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. All right, so let's get started. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see. So, all right. Okay. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. All right. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the third row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then let me see, the 8 in the third row, the 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this last column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, one of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, okay, 2, 9. 9, 4, 6. 9, 4, 6. Okay. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the second column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. Yeah, 3 in the first row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3, okay. 5, 5. Then 9, 9, yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this third column, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in the second row, so no 9 in that box. So the 9 in this big square, it could be here, could be there. We have a 9 in the third column, the 9 in one of those two boxes in the second column. So in the first column, only 2 places left for the 9, should be here or there. We see here 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Alright, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9. Okay. Then. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this row, should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright, so we have a 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 4, 6, so 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row. So in the row between, only place left for the 5. It should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then we have a 1 in this row, the 1 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be there, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Okay. Now we have 2 missing numbers in the second column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missed. No, we have a 6. The 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. And look, we have a 2 and a 3 in the third row. So no 2 and a 3 in this box. So 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Alright. 7 and a 4. Then 1, 2, 3, then 9. Yeah, we have a 9 in this column, the 9 in the column next. So last column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. You see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here 9 in that row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the last column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 3, 3. 3, 3. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 3. Well, here can be a 3 because we have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. Here can be a 3 because we have a 3 also in that row, so no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there in this column, here or there. We see another 3 in this row, so no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright, 2 missing numbers in the last row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. And we have a pair, I believe. We have a 4 and a 6 in this column. The 4 and the 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as pair. 4 and a 6, 4 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 4 goes there. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this column. 4 number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing. 7, 7, 7. Okay. 1 and 8. Okay, and now 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 4. How about the 5 in this row? The 5 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. 1, okay. 1 number left in this column. 4 number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Now we have a 7 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7 and 8. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 it goes there. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. Okay. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 and 3, we have a 3 now in the middle column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes at there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in the middle column. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this big square. 4 number. 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well. 2 stars. No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we will meet again later on with the last puzzle, regular puzzle, a killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye. for now.